Okay, so here's the trick. First, you want to just add some just a dark shape for one of the eyes and both of the eyes, and make sure that the distance is roughly the same as the space between the eyes, and just add the eyebrows, and then just a shadow under the nose. Okay, you can add some shadows on either side of the nose, and then just draw top of the lips. Remember, just top of the lips, and then you want to leave bottom of the lips blank and just draw the shadow under it. And now it's pretty much done. It's 30 seconds, and now you can add some extra stuff like outlines and so on. So that's how it's done. But because I kind of want to just play around a little bit more to show you guys, I'm gonna just copy kind of what the other guy did. I'm gonna add some white white charcoal and blend it a little bit. White chalk and just blend it a little bit, just so that it's a little bit looks a little bit softer, a little bit nicer. I don't know. And I kind of always want to see if I can just add the highlight in the eyes. So right now this is about 1 minute, but I kind of want to do a little bit more. So just give me another 30 seconds to fix up, to see what else I can do to just improve the drawing a little bit more. As you can see, the right side and left side, I want to add both, make sure that both of the outline of the chin is there. And yeah, and as you can see, that's not too hard. Now I'm just playing around. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and realize the power of charcoal. Just remember, whatever you think is hard, it's actually not that hard. And it actually looks quite artistic in my opinion, right? Alright, talk to you guys later.